Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to get Reels on Instagram. So if you're not having an icon like this over here, you have something like this, then you don't have an option to post Reels. So what can be the problem? The first thing you can do, and the easy way you can do, is that you can just go on the Google Play Store, update your Instagram, and then come back to Instagram, log out, and then log in and see if you can get something like this. If not, don't worry, there is another way you can do it. So all you need to do is just take screenshots of your screen, then go onto your profile, go to these three dots, go on settings, tap on help, and then go and report a problem. When you go there, you can attach the photo from gallery, which you just took seconds ago, and here you can say what your problem is. So for example, Reels are not showing. And write something else. So yeah, I hope this video helps you, and subscribe for more useful tips.